Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see Snapchat password. So first of all, open Snapchat account, click on the profile icon, but here is not showing to password check option. So go back and open Gmail. Look at the right corner, tap on profile icon, Google account, swipe left to right side. After that, click on security, scroll down, password manager, tap on this and select or search Snapchat. First time verify you. Okay, now shown here your Snapchat password and username. So that's how you can easily see Snapchat password from here. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.